Grabe. Sa sobrang lakas ng hangin kahapon hanggang ngayon. Ayan, kasi mayroong dust storm kahapon. Yan, bumagsak yung aming fence sa likod. Yan, so we need to fix it today. Nakakatakot kahapon, grabe, lakas. So magre-repair kami today. Bago pa bumagsak lahat. Yan yung nangyari sa table namin, ang kapal ng dust from yesterday. Tapos naguhulog lahat ng dahon. Sobrang kalat ng namin yung loan. Ano yung pati dyan? So, eto na siya. Temporarily, medyo naayos namin siya. Ganyan. So, nilagyan namin ng poste doon. Ganyan muna. Tapos, dito rin sa side na to, bumigay din. So, we have a good neighbor. Ipahiram siya ng ibang tools. So, ito medyo sturdy na siya. Hindi na siya magalaw. Ganyan. We're thinking to replace it with vinyl. Vinyl na fence. It's too very expensive. Chinek namin yung price kanina. Very expensive. So, hopefully ma-hold na naman yung strong wind. Grabe talaga kahapon. Yung side na yun, medyo umuuga-uga ulit. So, we'll fix it later. Maybe after church tomorrow. Kasi we need to get ready for my daughter's graduation today. Kailangan namin umalis ng 1 p.m. And si boss ay may work ng 10 a.m. pa. So, he's working 10 to 6 today. Dadalhin na naman niya yung computer niya doon sa venue. So, that's it for now.